Hello guys, good morning. Trust you're having a nice time. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this drill based on a song by Fred Hammond titled No Weapon. I believe you know the song already. So what we're gonna be doing is that we're not like playing the exact chords of the song. This is just for educational purpose, and we're just taking a segment of the song so that we can use it and learn across several keys. All right, so the song basically is on the key of A flat major, and it goes from the 1 to the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, then a walk up from the 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Understand? So that's how it goes. So no weapon formed against me shall prosper, and it will work. No weapon. Okay, so that's how it goes. So let me break down the chords for you that I just played right now, and we'll see how we can use this, like, to work around several keys real easy. Okay, so focus. It's all about the chord structure and giving you an idea or an escape plan of what to play when you don't know what to play. All right, so let's go ahead. The first chord is a 1 chord, and it's a major 9 chord. That's the A flat major 9 chord. I'm playing A flat major triad on my left hand while playing G, D flat, C, and E flat on my right hand. So we'll now go down to the 7, and this is G, E flat, F, B flat, and E flat. Okay, that's the 7. Then for the 6, we'll play F, C, E flat, then G, A flat, and E flat. For the 5, we'll play this, which is E flat, B flat, and E flat. Then we'll play F, B flat, and E flat. Alright, then for the 4, this is also a major 9th chord, and this is the D flat major 9th chord, of which we play D flat major triad on the left hand while playing C, E flat, F, and A flat on our right hand. Okay, all together is D flat major 9th chord in an inverted format. Okay, then this is for the 3. We'll play C and A flat. Yep. So on our right hand, we're playing a quarter chord, which is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Alright, then for the final chord, which is a 2, that is B flat, F, and A flat. On our right hand, we're playing C, D flat, and A flat. So walking up is just the same chord structures. Okay, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, and it will work. I think I thought something like it. Don't mind me. All right, so yep. Now the goal here is like for you to be able to relate the chord structures that is going on in this stuff. Now basically, this whole flow that I just showed you is divided into 2. Like only one part can help you to play the other parts real easy. Like you don't have to learn the other parts differently if you don't want to. So it kind of gives you an escape plan. Like I said in the last video, please go and watch that video and understand what I was trying to say over there, because that's what we're still building on. So I don't want to keep this video so long. Don't mind me talking too much, but sorry. The first chord is a major 9th chord, and on the 4 too, it's also a major 9th chord. So, and if you look at the way I play them, like the position of my fingers, they're actually the same. I don't have to think or to learn the D flat major, the major 9th chord differently if I don't want to. I don't have to learn them differently because the positioning on the keyboard visually is the same. All right. Then the 7 and the 3 is the same. So I don't have to learn both differently. So if I know this, I already know this. If I know this, I already know this. You understand? Then for the 6 and the 2, exactly the same way I position my fingers. So if I learn this, I already know this. I don't have to learn it differently. Okay, so you can see how related. I think it's just the 5 that is just standing alone. Don't worry, that's fine. That's fine. We can also do that for the 1. Just add a 1, even though we didn't go to the 1 on the song. That's like down. Okay, so you can just add it. So that I just have that all together as an escape plan as well. So if you know this, you already know this. All right. No weapon formed against me shall prosper, and it won't work. So if you can do this on some other keys, like you will have a lot of escape plan, under your belt, and it will be so easy for you. So let's try on, let's say, the key of A. Okay, I know a lot of people scare away from the key of A. So let's say, no, I'll take it slow. Formed against me shall prosper, and the 7 is tricky a little bit. Yeah. So let's walk up again. Against me shall prosper, and so the stuff also here is like we did for A flat. It's also divided into 2 segments. You understand? If you understand this, you already know this. You already know that. Like, okay, so you can just like walk through it. So if you look at the 1, that's the A major 9th chord rather, and this is the D major 9th chord as well. Visually, it's the same kind of positioning. Okay, then for the 7, right here. Okay, then for the 3 here. And for the 6, let's go. Yep, the 6 and the 2, not so much difference, a little difference though, but not so much difference. So the fingering you need is just like so automatic for you. Okay, so please, what I want you to do is this. Try to populate this across different keys. Okay, I kind of did it on the key of A because I think it's a kind of threat to most of the people out there. But please try and do it on all 12 keys. You can go on the circle of chords. My time is already over. If I want to go around the whole keys right now, it might take me a little longer, so that's why I don't want to do that. It's already 9 minutes. Thank you. I'll be waiting for your videos. Please try and send before weekend. I know this is kind of going to be tasking for us, so please try and do it. If you cannot do it at a go, don't worry, just do like 5 keys, then later you do another. Cut the video into segments, no problem. It's totally fine by me, and I just believe we will grow doing this. Okay, so this is beginning to get a little bit complex, right? So let's take it slow, gently, and we'll get there.